Hello everyone, it's Ruby here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how to make certain bonnet pattern for all ages, for infants, toddlers, preschoolers, middle childhood, teens, and adults. This video is going to help anyone who wants to go into certain bonnet production. It's going to give you a guide on the correct size to use for every age. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed already. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So let's get working. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hair bonnet pattern for all sizes, for all ages. But I'm going to start from the biggest. So for the biggest one, I'm going to measure 14 inches. So to measure, I'm going to start from this corner. I'm going to measure 14 inches. So I'll mark it right here. So I'm going to keep rotating my tape from this angle. So I'll mark 14 inches. Let me take it back here. Oh my God. I'm going to use my curve ruler to connect my points. If you don't have a curve ruler, please, you can connect this without the aid of a curve ruler. So I'm going to go on to cut this. So in case you have a big hair or you just like, big satin bonnets, this is perfect. All right, so for this extra large, you're going to be needing an elastic of 22 inches or 23 inches. Okay, then if you want to make for an adult, but you don't want it to be too big, the size you should use is 12 inches. 12 inches. So it means that from this point, you're going to measure 12 inches, and from that point you measure 12 inches all the way round and you cut it out. So that is for an adult and those in their teens. All right, so the elastic you're going to use for that is 21 to 22 inches. Then if you have a little girl of 7 to 12 years old, you can use 11 inches. From this same point you measure, and for a child of 7 to 12 years old, you will need an elastic of 19 inches. And then if you're making for a child of 2 to 6 years old, then you're going to need a certain bonnet size of 10 inches. So from this point, you measure 10 inches, you know, and do that all the way round. And then the elastic you're going to be needing for that is 17 inches. If you're making for a baby of 12 to 24 months, you're going to need 9 inches bonnet. So to get that, you measure from this point, measure 9 inches. From here, we measure all the way round, and then the elastic you're going to be needing for this is about 16 inches elastic. And for a baby of about 0 to 12 months, you're going to need a satin bonnet of 8 inches. So from this point you're going to measure 8 inches. As you can see, the smaller the babies are, the smaller the satin bonnet. So you're going to measure 8 inches from here, measure it all the way around, and then the elastic you're going to be using is 15 inches. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends. I'm going to make an entire video on how to cut this on a fabric and sew it as well. Until next time guys, keep creating and have a great day.